welcome to this first ever Lunch and Learn for Live International. What a Lunch and Learn is designed to just talk a little bit about some products. We've got an excellent line of products that were developed, of course, by Mr. Jeff Tuttle. What I know about the products is we've got a whole line. We're just going to hit very briefly during the lunch hour, and these will be rebroadcast over the next couple of weeks as we're building for our November 15th launch of new products in Provo. But we're going to just talk today, Judy, about a couple of products during this Lunch and Learn, and a little bit about the business, and a little bit about how people are improving their lives through optimizing their health, and a little bit about how people are improving their lives through improving their finances, and how we do that through a 6-step duplicatable system. So can you talk a little bit about what you know about the product developer and CEO of this company, Mr. Jeff Tuttle?
Oh, I'd love to, Holly.
Great. And this is Judy, by the way. And Judy has been with our company now for a few months and has been able to sample the products and try a little bit of the business, has earned a couple of checks in the company, and has been doing really well with the company. And I'm excited for her to be here today and be able to talk a little bit on this Lunch and Learn. So
I'm
welcome,
excited
Judy.
to be here too. Thanks, Holly.
Thanks.
Well, yes, Jeff Tuttle is the CEO and product developer of our company, which is very unique to have a company that you have both the product
That's so
developer is the CEO. Jeff started out as a young man, always having an interest in plants and how things work and grow, and crushing up acorns to make a paste out of them. And he served a mission for his church in South America, and noticed the older women on the streets acting as healers. Using plants and such to heal people, because that's all they had. And he came home from that experience with an interest in how plants could be used in our lives to heal us, and went into chemistry and the study of plants and healing, and actually worked for 30 years with a company called Nature Sunshine. I'm sure many people have heard of it. Was the product developer for them, developed over 70 products in 100 countries throughout the world, and got to a point about, 5-10 years ago, where he felt like he wanted to take a different path and reach the masses with those products, and not just people that wanted to just get healthy, and developed the Live company. And the flagship product, which this is an offset of that, is our green drink. It comes just in a little packet, kind of like the Crystal Light things, that come in a little packet. You just rip, tip, and sip. Mix that with 32 to 48 ounces of water, and it is a green drink that, I don't know how it all works. I just know that it works. The main product in it is chlorophyllin. It helps me detox my body.
Sure does.
I don't know how it all works. I trust our product developer.
What I love about it is that alkalinity aspect to your body, to reduce the acid in your body, so that it really reduces that acid that a lot of people have with their aches and pains, and the fulvic minerals. And we're not getting the right kind of minerals in our body anymore. Our plant beds are depleted of the nutrients we need. We're utilizing those plant beds over and over again. And what I love about this Live Skinny product is, right now as the holidays come, of course we're just highlighting a couple of the products today, the Live Skinny is one of them, is it has appetite suppressants in it. Things like Garcinia cambrosia, that Dr. Oz guy, that's all he's ever talking about. Of course, Jeff Tuttle knew about it, 5 years before Dr. Oz ever started talking about it. Not knocking Dr. Oz, I think he's super brilliant, but what does that say about Jeff Tuttle? Oh, super genius. But the Live Skinny has stuff in it that ups your metabolism, makes your body run a little hotter, and suppresses your appetite. I know there's a Irish potato in it. It suppresses your appetite, the Garcinia cambrosia, the coleus in it. All kinds of things that help suppress your appetite, plus make your metabolism run hotter, so you're burning off more calories, plus your appetite suppressed, in this green drink that's equivalent to like a pound of wheatgrass or a pound of kelp. Now, I know you're more of a health person than I am.
I'm really not.
I'm really
not. No, I'm not.
But I'll do this. I'm not going to go get a pound of wheatgrass or a pound of spinach sludge and drink it down and clean up my food processor. But I'll drink tip and sip, right?
Well, Holly, I have to tell you, I was total Diet Coke addict.
Really?
I don't know what it is about this, but within a few days of drinking this stuff, I don't drink. I kicked my Diet Coke habit. I don't drink it anymore.
Really?
Serious.
Not at all.
Serious. And I didn't even.
That's
They
great.
have a product with the caffeine in. I didn't even try the caffeine product.
That's great.
So, and
So the
I
Live
mean,
Skinny Max is caffeinated and the Live Skinny isn't.
so I drink the Live Skinny. That's been kind of my product since I was introduced to these products. Within 2 days, more energy. Within a couple months, I've lost 15 pounds.
It's
And
great.
like you say, I think the science behind it is that it's got all this cool stuff in that I can trust that Jeff knows that it works. And he knows what to put in there, and it really does work.
Well, and that's the thing too, is we can get anybody who wants to know exactly what ingredients are in it, exactly how it works on the phone with Jeff Tuttle or a product sheet so they can find out exactly what's in it, exactly how it works, why it works, and all of the different ingredients in it so they know exactly what it is that they're taking. What I know is that, like you, I lost weight and I was able to maintain it. And I got to thinking, oh my gosh, who do I know who wants to lose weight? Who do I know who has rheumatoid arthritis or diabetes? Or who do I know who has aches and pains and can't explain why? Because when I took this, I know my sciatic nerve felt better and I lost weight. But what I know is that a lot of people struggle with discipline. And I know as the holidays come up, I know Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, those are all really big triggers. What I want to do is talk a little bit about this product, Skinny Mist. This is a natural herb. It also has amino acids in it, so bodybuilders like to use it because of recovery time. This is an herb that when you spray it on your tongue, it kind of has an earthy organic taste to it that's a natural minty flavor. When you spray this on your tongue, within 15 seconds up to 2 hours, it blocks the sugar receptors in your tongue. This is discipline in a bottle. How many people do we know, at my house Halloween, I consider them taxes, so I pick out what I want first. But I spray this on my tongue, and then I have the discipline to not get into those taxes right away, or Thanksgiving, or Christmas, or New Year's. I know my friend Julie and I had a hard time at Easter with those little Cadbury eggs, right? We could not stay out of those. It was so terrible. But when I use this, then I have the discipline to not get into those other things. So holidays are coming up. Make sure that you get this video out to your friends and family who you know are also struggling so that you don't get that 15-pound holiday weight. Skinny Mist is $15 a bottle, okay? This will last you through the holidays. Spray it on your tongue for up to 2 hours. This is going to block your taste receptors for up to 2 hours and give you the discipline you need, because it makes chocolate taste like dirt.
It sure does.
Processed sugar is going to taste icky. Salty things are going to taste too salty. So maybe your downfall is chips. This is going to help you through the holidays. This is how I grew the business, okay? This Cerazin spray, it goes under your tongue, little receptor up to your brain, releases serotonin. This is your feel-good receptor. Use this to make yourself feel good. Use this for discipline, okay? These two things,
I go through
anxiety, depression, all of those things. Natural antidepressant, comes in cinnamon or wintergreen.
I needed almost
Single
a whole
mom
bottle of this last week.
Can make $1 million just on this. There's nothing like this in the market. You guys, right now, through the end of October, the sign-up fee is notch, okay? Usually it's $25. Who for $25 can start their own business? What I knew when I got into this business was by accident. What I knew was I knew people with fibromyalgia. I knew people who had no discipline. I knew people who were going through Cadbury eggs like they were water. I knew people who drank Diet Pepsi by the gallon, like myself, who weren't going to use wheatgrass and kelp and those kind of things, but would drink this product, like myself. Okay. What I knew was that 85% of women who make $100,000 a year or more have done it in this industry. What I knew was that people all over Facebook are doing something else to make income. What I knew is, as a social worker, Judy, $500 to $700 is the difference between people filing bankruptcy right now. What I knew is $500 to $700 is an income lifestyle change for most people, and that people need something else in this economy to get by. And what I knew is we have something else that everybody wants, nobody has on the market, that everybody needs, And right now, what do we have that competes with us? Starbucks, Gatorades, all kinds of sugary drinks that are unhealthy for your body, and people need to make a change to feel better because we have all kinds of things that are plaguing our bodies right now. And what I knew was that if I shared it with a few people I cared about, and why wouldn't I? Because I care about some people. There's some people that I like, that I want to see feel better, that I can make a change in my life. I'm not saying this to be braggy, but I needed to make some financial changes in my life. And when I shared it with a few people, I earned a car in 76 days because he set this pay plan up in a non-greedy way.
So amazing.
I just got to go on a cruise with one of our mutual friends, Julie.
I know, it's so exciting.
It was so amazing. We get bonuses. We have a pay plan that's unlike anything you've ever seen. We have a system that is a 6-step duplicatable system. One of the things that we do in that system is invite. Okay, if you invite people to look at this lunch and learn and just take a look at these products, and you're making a list of who you know who needs an income, who do you know who's struggling financially, who do you know who has financial trouble, who do you know who has fibromyalgia, who do you know who has diabetes, who do you know who's like me, who talks really fast and talks a lot and talks really excited, who do you know who is quiet, who could share some webinars, who's a single mom at home. Who do you know? Invite them to look at some interactive lunch and learns like this. They're a couple times a week. Get them a text message out. Invite them to an open house. Invite them to do a 3-way call. November 15th, there's a new product launch. You don't want to miss that in Provo, Utah, okay? Get with whoever invited you to this lunch and learn and find out where that's going to be because it's filling up really fast. It's $25. You'll learn all 6 steps, okay? All 6 steps are duplicatable. You'll learn how to do this business because it's all about training. You cannot learn how to do anything without being trained, and you're crazy if you think you can. That's just simple. But if you learn how to do something, learn how to do it right, anybody can do it. It's duplicatable because there are 6 simple steps to doing anything. You can do it. And we have something that everybody wants, nobody else has, that's unique. And everybody asks you, what are you drinking? We have an antidepressant that's natural. Are you kidding me? We have something that can help you learn discipline and improve your appetite.
Such unique products.
And you guys, the stuff,
everybody can use.
and we have new products coming out November 15th. Make sure you're in Provo for that.
You're so excited about that.
So excited. What nobody knows that I'm going to spill the beans right now. Jeff's going to kill me. He lost a bet to me on the ship and had to tell me what he's launching. So I tried to go double or nothing, so he had to tell me for 10 years and he won't bet with me anymore. So you want to be there. November 15th, you want to be in Utah, finding out what those are. You want to learn what these 6 steps to duplication are. You want to be able to earn a little bit of income. You want to be able to do it from your home. Maybe you just want to help people. Maybe you just want to share this with a little bit of your family. Maybe you just want a little bit of product. Maybe you just want to improve your health. Whatever you want, it's all up to you. Maybe that's all you want is just to optimize your health. That's cool too. For $25, it's a no-brainer. Get something that helps improve your life. That's all I'm saying. That's all you're saying. And it's been a pleasure, Judy, having you here. You're one of my favorites. You're my soul sister. And thank you all for being on this Lunch and Learn. We will be with you again. Be in Utah, November 15th. Thank you all so much. And I know they're also going to Hawaii. Ola to my sisters, Moana, Shadia, Aloha.
Aloha.
What did I say? Ola?
I don't know
What did I say?
You
Did I say Ola?
You might have. I think you did. You were thinking about.
I was thinking about our cruise.
Frozen and
thinking about
Olaf and all these kids and their costumes.
And our
right
cruise.
now.
I was thinking about my Hawaii Aloha sisters in Ensenada, Mexico. So I got a little confused for a minute. So aloha
She's
to my
still
Ola
in the
sisters.
party mode.
I'm
She's
still
in the
Party mode. So we will see you all, my Hawaii Aloha sisters. They'll also do a product launch in Hawaii as well. So we'll see you all on the next Lunch and Learn. Peace, everybody. Thank you so much for being with us.